So the topic for this video is subtraction of like fractions, which will be demonstrated with an activity. And for this activity we are having a collection of colorful candies of different colors which have been expressed as fractions. So if you observe here, the total number of candies is 13. The fraction of red candies is 3 out of 13. Green, it is 7 out of 13, so it's 7 upon 13. White candies fraction is 2 upon 13 and orange candies fraction is 1 upon 13. Now we are going to subtract like fractions here. Now if you notice, the present number of candies or the present fraction of green candies is 7 upon 13. Now what we do is we replace 2 green candies by 2 white candies, and since we are doing the subtraction of like fractions, the total number of candies should remain same throughout. That is why we are replacing 2 green candies by 2 white candies. So now we need to find out what is the fraction of green candies left. What is the fraction of green candies left? So for this we'll be doing the subtraction between what? The number of candies that was earlier was, the fraction was 7 upon 13, out of which we have taken 2. So we subtracted 2 out of 13. If we look at these two candies, it represented 2 upon 13 fraction. So 7 upon 13 minus 2 upon 13. Now if we look at the number of green candies here, what is it? It is 5. So if we express this, the fraction of green candies left is actually what? It is 5 upon 13. So where did we get this 5 from? By simply subtracting the numerator. So we have subtracted the numerators here. The denominator remains the same. We have subtracted the numerators here. Okay. Let's take another example for this. Let us now replace one red candy with one green candy this time. Replace one red candy with one green candy, and let's find out what is the fraction of red candies left with us now. So earlier the fraction of red candies was 3 upon 13. Yeah, we are finding fraction of red candies left. So whenever we are finding something left, we are actually focusing on the topic of subtraction. So earlier the fraction was 3 upon 13, and now this one red candy that was replaced, it expressed what fraction? It expressed 1 upon 13. And now if we look at the number of red candies, what fraction does it represent? It represents 2 upon 13. It represents 2 candies, only 2 red candies are left out of the 13 candies over there. So 2 upon 13. And again, where do we get this 2 from? We subtract the numerators. So the rule says subtract the numerators keeping the denominators same. So we have this SNDS rule for the subtraction of like fractions. SNDS rule. Subtract the numerators keeping the denominator same. We can have a look at the examples once again. So it was 7 upon 13 minus 2 upon 13. What did we do? We got the answer 5 upon 13. Because the denominator was same, we subtracted the numerator 7 and 2. Similarly, here it was 3 upon 13 minus 1 upon 13. So here also the denominator remains the same. We subtracted the numerators 3 and 1 to get the numerator 2. So the rule says subtract the numerators keeping the denominator same. Happy learning.